Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am going to show you the solar powered patio umbrella that I got it from Costco. It's very famous in Costco, so I'm not sure how many people you saw it. Like every year Costco brings something. So this is from Costco. That's the regular price is 149.99, but they have the sale $25 off. So it's 125 and it's solar powered. It has LED lights. So let me open this one and install it and let you know how it looks like, how the light is and how much light you can see get it from it. So, and looks like it can be connected to the power as well. Before I do the test, let me show you what comes inside the box. And by seeing this, looks like the base for the umbrella doesn't comes with it, so you need to have your own base. That's important. So let's open the box first, friends, and see. So let me open the box. This is one thing. I'm not sure what is here, why they packed it like that. I'm not sure. So this is the instruction. I'll check that one later. Let me open this box. It's actually hard to open. The way they packed it, it's really hard to open. You have to destroy. There's no other choice. So this is AC adapter, I believe. So this is adapter plug-in. This is for directly if you want to plug it. And this is the solar panel. So you can see the solar panel. And this is some kit. I need to check what is this. So this is the switch and everything. So I'll show you how to install all this. I'll show you everything. And this is the umbrella. So I'm taking off everything, almost everything. So friends, this is the user manual. I always recommend you to go through the user manual and follow the instructions. So I just gone through it, and what they say is they showed how to install the umbrella, which I will do later. But one part is that one step is this is the uh, light control and battery pack. So as they said, you must charge this battery before you start using it, and the recommended charge is 8 hours if you connect it to the solar panel, this solar panel if you connect, or you directly charge it through this AC adapter, which will 5 hours. So since I don't have enough time right now, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in charge for 5 hours, so that I can use it. And because otherwise I have to wait one day to get it fully charged. So let me put it in the charge first, then I'll open the umbrella. So let me plug it in. just plugged it in, so hopefully it is charging. Yes, it is charging. You can see it is charging. You can see it is charging. So when if it is connected to the AC power, then it needs at least 5 hours charge for the first time. Don't right away use it. So let it be charged, and then let's install the umbrella, and after 5 hours I will put it. So the next first step, I skipped one step, like I did earlier step to get first. So the thing is, I have to open this umbrella, this one, and I have to put the solar panel. You see the solar panel? (90° locked). That's it. The solar panel I connected. It's a little heavy. Now what I have to do is I have to put this one. I have to take this out and connect this one. So connect this one, and now I have to install it. It's a little bit heavy, and since I don't have base, it's a problem. I already ordered one base from Amazon, so once it comes I'll show you, but that's how it is. Let me now open it. Now I'm going to open it, and as you can see, this thing, you just rotate it and it will open. So you have to open it till it's flip on one side, so you can see now you can get full shade. So you can get the full shade of the umbrella, and it's a really nice umbrella. I have to move it little far because it's stuck with my deck, so I have to take care of it. That I'll do. And as you can see here, this is the this is the position for that battery pack, where the battery pack will be connected. So it's on charge, and this is the umbrella. And once you can see the LEDs are here, these are the LEDs. It's a very nice umbrella and very big and white. So very nice umbrella, and to close it you just need to do this and it will be closed, and it is closed. so you can do everything with this. So this is nice umbrella. So let me wait for the battery pack to be fully charged, then I'll use it. See, I just moved my patio furniture a little bit so that it can fit nicely. I have to put the base, otherwise it is now like moving, so I have to put the base. That is important, and it's really nice. And this patio furniture is also new. I have another video on this, like how to install it, and it is like $750 regular price. I got it for $400. So if you want, you can check the video, and I showed the full installation, and you can get the link above. So this is nice, friends. It's fully charged now. It's totally charged, you can see. So now I'm gonna connect it, and let's see how the light works. And as I told you, this is the to see how much charge it has, and this is the light button. So let's go and connect it, and you see the back side because outside is dark, so I'm showing it here. So let's go and connect it. So the way to connect it, you can see it is similar like this. So you just have to put it, and make sure I close this one. I forgot to close this one. So now let's connect it. It should be simple. I just connected it, and let's turn on the light. The lights are on, you can see. So you can see the lights are on, but it's not enough light. I think it should be bright enough. Yes, by pressing the switch you can bright the light, and you will have enough light here. It's very hard to show you, but it has good light, so you can have a nice party, and you can have nice options. So it looks nice, good light. So that's all about this video, friends. Let me know how do you like this video. If you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.